Good morning, children. I hope you all safe at your home. Okay. In this video, we will understand important topic of grammar, which is determiners. Good morning, children. Stay home, stay safe. In this video, we will understand important topic of grammar, which is determiners. Let's go. Determiners. A determiner is a word that introduces and clarifies a noun. It always comes before a noun. Determiners are words that comes at the beginning of the noun. Hence, basically introduces noun. Determines noun, that is whether a noun is specific or general. These are the four important things that you must understand about determiners. Now, determiners are basically divided into four types. They are articles, demonstratives, quantifiers, and the last one is possessives. The first one is articles, which are a, and the. Second, demonstratives, which are words like this, that, these, and those. And the third one is possessives. Possessive comes from the word possession, which shows kind of ownership, which are words like my, your, is, her, your, their. And the last one, quantifiers, which comes the word quantity, the words like some, few, little, many, much, any, etc. We will start with articles, and you know the articles are a and the, and you all studied about articles in the previous classes as well. Articles are divided into two categories. They are indefinite articles and definite articles. Here, a, an are indefinite articles. The is definite article. A and an are used for singular nouns, and they are used when you are talking about a general version of the noun. Here, for example, he is a doctor. A is used before the nouns that begin with the consonant sound. Here, T is a consonant. He is an actor. An is used before the nouns that begin with the vowel sound. Here, actor. A is a vowel. Which are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. And the is called definite article, and it can be used before singular as well as plural nouns. For example, the Ganga river is nearby my state. Here, Ganga is a noun, the is a definite article. Okay, it refers a specific version of noun. So, this is how articles are used as determiners. Now, let's have look into the next category. Demonstrative. Demonstratives, which are words like this, that, these, those. Demonstrative pronouns are also used as determiners. They are used to point something specific within a sentence. They focus attention on the nouns that they are replacing. Demonstratives are used to state the distance of what the speaker is referring to. They tell us whether an object is close to you or far away. This, that, these, those are used when referring to something specific. Demonstrative determiners are always followed by a noun. Here, this and that are followed by a singular noun. These and those are followed by plural nouns. This and these are used when referring to something close to the speaker. This is followed by a singular noun. For example, this is my pen. These is followed by a plural noun. For example, these are my books. That and those are used when referring to something far from the speaker. Use them if you can point to the object or person. That is followed by a singular noun. For example, that is my pen. Those is followed by a plural noun. For example, those are my books. Now let's have a look into the next category, possessives. Possessives, which are words like my, your, his, her, our, their. When referring to a noun that belongs to someone or something, we can use possessive pronouns to show ownership. Let's look into examples of them. The first one is, where is your bike? Here used your to point out the word bike which belongs to you. The second example, it's our secret recipe. Here we have used our to point out the secret which belongs to us. As possessive determines the ownership of noun, there comes the category of determiners. Now let's have a look into the last category, quantifiers, which comes the word quantity. They are the words that describe the quantity of the noun we are talking about. Quantifiers are used with uncountable as well as countable nouns. Quantifiers are words that are used to state quantity or amount of something without stating the actual number. Quantifiers answer the questions like how many and how much. The following quantifiers will work with countable nouns like many, a few, few. For example, many trees, a few trees, few trees. The following quantifiers will work with non-countable nouns: much, a little, little. Example, not much dancing, a little dancing, little dancing. As quantifiers determines the quantity of nouns, becomes the category of determiners. So this is all about determiners in this video. we have to learn about determiners and their types. Students, this is for your homework. Fill in the blanks with correct determiners. Could you bring me dash books I left in the garden? Second, dash sun rises from the east. Third one, the doctor advised me to eat dash apple every morning. And the fourth one, with a bowl of cherries on your lap, dash cherries are delicious. And the fifth one is, there aren't dash students in the library. Do and submit your homework on time, okay? Students, I hope you all understood this topic, determiners. Thank you so much.